Today, we will go through how to prepare tuna salad for our upcoming monthly feature entree. We are using albacore tuna, which is sustainably fished off the Oregon coast. This is a recipe that can be prepared up to 1 day ahead of time and stored under refrigeration. To start preparing this recipe, wash the celery stalks well. Remove the ends of each stalk with a knife. Cut each stalk into smaller sticks. Then finely chop the celery sticks. Set the chopped celery aside. Next, open and drain the canned tuna. Dump the can's contents into a strainer in a food preparation sink. Allow the liquid to fully drain from the fish for best results. Place the drained tuna in a metal mixing bowl. Using a metal spoon, break up the chunks of tuna into smaller flakes. Once the tuna has been broken down, add the mayonnaise to the mixing bowl. Next, measure out and add the garlic powder and lemon juice to the mixing bowl. Stir the ingredients together thoroughly to combine. Finally, add the chopped celery into the mixing bowl with the tuna salad. Mix until the celery is well incorporated into the salad. Immediately cover and store the prepared tuna salad in refrigerator until ready to portion and or serve. Just prior to portioning the tuna salad for service, mix it again well. Using a number 10 scoop, measure out 1 level scoop into a 4-ounce plastic cup. Take care not to compact the tuna into the scoop when portioning. Top each cup with a lid if not serving immediately. Place the portioned tuna cups on a bun pan and store it in the refrigerator until service time. For meal service, elementary schools will serve the tuna salad with whole wheat crackers in a 2-pound boat. All secondary schools will serve the tuna salad with 2 ounces of tortilla chips, or about 26 chips, in a 3-pound boat. Assemble this entree as needed, making sure to keep the tuna salad refrigerated until service. Any remaining tuna salad portions that have not left refrigeration can be served up to 3 days after the tuna salad has been prepared. Discard any remaining tuna salad that remain at the end of the 3rd day. We are excited to serve this meal to our students. Please let your supervisor know if you have any questions.